thought I could vlog for you guys today because we got like insane amounts of snow, and I thought I could show it to you guys. So we just woke up and I'm gonna let the dogs out to go pee, and yeah, check this out. Look at this. It's crazy. We didn't even get this much snow over Christmas, I think. And it doesn't stop either, like the snowflakes are huge. Amazing. I kind of wish it was Christmas right now. Oh man, couldn't you do that outside? Okay, let's go inside. Our friend is here and God, it's wet. It looks a little messy. What do you think, Vales? Are you hungry for some food? Take it. There we go. Good boy. That's a boy. This picky guy is freezing. Is it too cold for you? So you're saying you don't want to go out today? Sunny, you don't want to go out for a walk today? Is this too cold? Is that a good treat, Bailey? Hmm? You finished that fast. Oh. Come on, Bales! Get it!
Look at that. That looks beautiful from that forest.
Yeah, it does. Good boy, Sunny. So much snow. Stop it! I have my phone out. Jens, drit i det. Åh. Au. Du tør ikke å ta igjen på Satori. You both missed. Come on, baby. Woo! Oh, that looks so much fun. Dee, are you tired? We made it home. Yoo-hoo. This is where we live. Are you happy to be home? So ready for a bath after that long hike. And we just Skyped with a friend back home. It was really nice. I haven't talked to him in a long time. Cannot wait to lie down, sip on my smoothie, read a book, enjoy. Oh, it's gonna feel so good. Smells so good. I'm gonna be reading this book. Just dyeing my eyebrows. This. Now I'm gonna have a little nap because that bath just made me so tired, and the hike, I guess. Look at these cute stars I got in my bed. I love them. This is my room and I have my little salt lamp over there. I love my room. It's very minimalistic and it's very simple and cozy and everything. So I'm gonna have a little nap now and see what I'm gonna do tonight. I was supposed to go out with some friends, but I canceled because of the weather, so we'll see what's gonna happen. Might just stay home, might head out, we'll see. So I just woke up from a nap and I felt good because I was tired, and Satori just got me something to eat while they were out. So for dinner today, it's tofu, veggies, and a little salad here. with some noodles, rice noodles, and there's the sauce right here. What are you doing, my little angel? Hey? So I'm gonna chill here tonight with this little boo-boo. Yeah, Sun is in the room with the boys, so they're in here. Here's my food, guys. Yum, yum, yum. I have to show you guys this juice. Like, it's fresh pressed sweet apple cider, and it's made from Canadian apples. Just President's Choice from Superstore, and it's honestly so delicious and so sweet, and it's like $5 for this big jug of 3 liters. So yeah, you should try this. It's so yummy. Okay, Billy, take it. He's not sharing, hey? Well, that was it for today, guys. That was my whole day, kinda, and oh, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed watching a vlog from me. I normally don't do vlogs because it's so time consuming, and I just find it stressful having to vlog all the time. But I might do more when I like travel and stuff, but like, you know, my daily routine and everything, yeah, it's just a bit too much right now. But when I go to Bali, I'll probably do more vlogging. So give me a thumbs up down below if you enjoy watching vlogs from me. Might do more of them if that's what you guys want to see. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one, and don't forget to like it if you enjoyed watching vlogs from me. Alrighty, see you, bye.